Top 5 reliable used cars under $10,000 in 2025. 5. Toyota Corolla, 2009 to 2013. There's a reason why the Toyota Corolla is one of the most recommended used cars for budget-conscious buyers. It's nearly indestructible. The 2009 to 2013 generation is well known for being economical, low maintenance, and incredibly reliable. Even in 2025, you can easily find well-maintained examples for under $10,000. The Corolla's 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine delivers dependable performance and excellent fuel economy, up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. It may not win drag races, but it'll get you to work, school, or your favorite takeout spot without breaking a sweat. Repairs are cheap, parts are everywhere, and mechanics know it inside out. It's basic, yes, but it's also the kind of car that keeps going even when the world around it doesn't. If you're looking for worry-free motoring, this is it. 4. Honda Civic, 2008 to 2012. Another Japanese legend. The Honda Civic of this era has aged like fine wine. Whether it's a sedan or a coupe, the Civic delivers a perfect mix of reliability and everyday usability. A good number of these Civics, especially the LX or EX trims, can be found below the $10,000 mark with reasonable mileage. It's a car that feels just a little more engaging than the Corolla, thanks to sharper steering and a peppy engine. Plus, it holds its value incredibly well and is cheap to maintain. The Civic is also known for its comfortable ride, great gas mileage, up to 36 miles per gallon highway, and surprisingly spacious interior. If you want something reliable but with a touch more flair, this is your budget superstar. 3. Mazda 3, 2010 to 2013. Mazda's compact offering during the early 2010s brought a level of style and handling prowess rarely found in budget-friendly cars. The Mazda 3 is a blast to drive, with sharp handling, responsive steering, and a nicely tuned suspension. It also scores well for reliability, particularly with the 2-liter four-cylinder engine. The interior feels more premium than you'd expect for the price, and its exterior design still looks sharp in 2025. Look for base or i-touring trims with a clean history and under 120,000 miles. For drivers who want more than just A to B transport, the Mazda 3 is the fun choice that still checks the reliability box. 2. Ford Fusion, 2010 to 2012. The Ford Fusion is often overlooked, but it's a strong contender in the under $10,000 bracket. Models from 2010 to 2012 are not only affordable, but surprisingly solid. The Fusion offers a spacious interior, smooth ride, and available all-wheel drive, a rare feature in this price range. Its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is known for reliability. 1. Hyundai Elantra, 2011 to 2014. If you're after something newer for less money, the Hyundai Elantra fits the bill. The 2011 to 2014 models offer a modern design, excellent fuel economy, up to 38 miles per gallon highway, and a surprisingly comfortable cabin. Hyundai made big strides in quality during this period, and the Elantra reflects that. It's equipped with features like Bluetooth, heated seats on some trims, and a respectable safety rating. Plus, many examples still have some of their original 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty remaining. It may not have the prestige of a Honda or Toyota, but the Elantra is often newer and more equipped for the same price. It's one of the best values you'll find in 2025 under $10,000.